Installing BlazeMaster fire sprinkler systems can be quick, easy, and safe when following the proper techniques and utilizing the right tools. You should always review the manufacturer's installation instructions before beginning. And in addition to following standard job site safety protocols, be certain you are wearing eye protection and gloves during BlazeMaster fire sprinkler systems installation. Cutting can be completed utilizing ratchet cutters, a wheel-type plastic tubing cutter, power saw, or a fine-tooth saw. Be sure to cut the pipe square. Square cuts maximize the surface area for solvent welding the product later in the process. Inspect the pipe before and after cutting to ensure there are no visible cracks or signs of damage. If damage is present, measure 2 inches from the end of the crack and recut the pipe. After you have cut the pipe, you will need to deburr and bevel the edge. A beveled edge helps to prevent solvent cement from being pushed down into the fitting upon insertion. Bevel the edge with a chamfering tool. Be sure to turn the tool in one direction. Once this is complete, use a clean, dry cloth to wipe away any loose debris and moisture from the pipe. Then obtain the fittings you intend to utilize and wipe any debris or moisture from them as well. Moisture can lengthen cure times, and debris can weaken solvent-welded connections. Before applying solvent cement, perform a check. Insert the pipe into the fitting and make certain that it goes 1/3 to 2/3 of the way into the fitting and is snug. If it is loose or if the pipe does not fit in the connection, look for deformations or debris that might be causing an issue. If necessary, utilize a different fitting or pipe to complete the process. Now you are ready to solvent weld the connection. Make sure to use the proper dauber size in this process. For 3/4 and 1 inch pipe, use a 1/2 inch dauber. For 1 1/4 to 3 inch pipe, use a 3/4 inch dauber. Check the date on your can of solvent cement before applying it to any pipe or fittings. It is recommended that you discard any solvent cement not used within 2 years of this date. To create the weld, first put a heavy, even coat of solvent cement around the outside edge of the pipe. Without dipping the dauber back into the can, apply an even coat to the inside surface of the fitting. If you are using pipe larger than 1 inch, a second coat will need to be applied to the pipe before inserting. If the solvent cement dries on the pipe or fitting before you have a chance to join them, do not reapply solvent. You will need to cut a new piece of pipe or utilize a new fitting. Upon inserting the pipe, twist 1/4 turn as it goes into the fitting. This will ensure even distribution of the cement as the joint comes together. Push all the way to ensure the pipe hits the back lip of the fitting. Hold for approximately 30 seconds to allow the cement weld to take. Wipe away any excess cement on the pipe's surface. A continuous bead of solvent cement should remain at the fitting. Once the necessary solvent welded joints are made, including the sprinkler head adapters, allow for a 30-minute cure time before attaching the sprinkler heads to be sure heads are clear of any cement that could obstruct the waterway. It's important to remember that cure times can vary based on a number of conditions, such as temperature, humidity, and pipe size. Tables are available in the manufacturer's installation instructions. Now, let's quickly review the process again. First, measure and cut the pipe to length with an approved tool or saw. Ensure that the pipe is cut square to ensure proper joining. Utilize an appropriate deburring tool to bevel the outer edge of the pipe. Be sure to wipe debris and moisture away before proceeding. Apply an even layer of cement to the pipe first. Ensure consistent contact and make several rotations with the dauber as needed. Then, repeat the process on the inside of the fitting. If pipe size is larger than 1 inch, reapply a second coat of solvent to the pipe. Next, insert the pipe into the fitting while turning a 1/4 turn, or approximately 90 degrees. Hold for 30 seconds to allow the joint to take. Wipe excess cement from the outside of the pipe. After 30 minutes, you can install sprinkler heads for the system. Installation is simple, easy, and safe. BlazeMaster fire sprinkler systems are the premier choice of contractors worldwide.